everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking, and today we're going to be making cabbage steaks. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but the cabbage has been so big that I didn't think that would come in handy at my house. So I was at Walmart today, and they had small cabbage, and so I thought, this is my day. See? I think that one makes more sense, that size does. And if you look, the Vidalia onions are in, so we're also going to get an onion steak with it. I love Vidalia onions. Of course, we live in Virginia, and I know they're from Georgia, but we still like them. And there's another onion I like so well. That's one of my always keep on hand onions. I'm real proud of that. The small ones today. I'll put that one on there too. This one, maybe. Maybe. Well, we can try. It might not be too good, but we can give it a try. Now I'm going to put, I'm using, it's garlic. It's just garlic butter, and you're supposed to put butter with garlic and herbs on it. And this looked like such a lazy idea, which I'm for. That's what I'm going to use, because it does smell so good. I love to smell garlic. Not on someone's breath, of course. But you know this has to be good. I made it on crackers one day, and it was really good. Now I'm going to put, I'm going to let this cook about 10 minutes, and I'm going to put the onions on, because onions don't take as long as cabbage does. Especially fresh Vidalia onions. I hope this is a garden year because last year was such a bad garden. It was rainy, hot, then dry. It just was wrong year. Now I've got my oven on 400, so I'm going to put these in the oven for 10 minutes. And then I will add my Vidalias. I'll go ahead and mix it. I don't know if you love onions like I do, but I ate an onion sandwich the other night when I got these in. Because I love onions. I guess I got that after my parents. This way. Everybody dies when they see me do this, but I've mastered the skill. Okay. So we're ready to get the cabbage. Take these out. Put some salt and pepper on them. Now let's put our onions. There's a half one. Salt the onion too. And pepper or vice versa. I think I'll just put it all in here. Okay, back to the oven we go. Well, I just got them out of the oven. I'm going to put some cheese on them. They're pretty done. I'm not going to put cheese on all of them because not everybody in my family likes cheese, and I'm one of them. They look very nice. I'll put it on that one right there. Well, see, getting real tender. Back to the oven. Well, I think we're through. I'm going to take this one, a small one. The little brown pieces is where the butter fell off, run down. This is going to be my kind of food. Ooh, it's too hot. Perfect. And there's more salt is on. That is so good. Try it. It's an easy one. You'll love it. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. I'll see you soon.